I could have sworn it was this way. It's happened again. You're lost. You need direction in your life, literally. Well, you found your way to the right location. Welcome to TechRadar's guide to the best sat-nav systems on the market right now. These are the devices that rise above your smartphone's GPS and the free maps you've been using. Fold those up, buckle your seatbelt, and get ready to obey the digital voice commands emanating from the machine on your dashboard. The following sat-navs are dedicated to giving directions, so we'll get you from A to B or C to G, if you ask them really nicely. We've done our best to highlight devices that straddle a number of price points and offer a bundle of features that will make you want to get in your car right now and just drive, with a planned route, of course. To be honest, we'd be lost without the following recommendations. TomTom Via 53. TomTom's mid-range sat-nav offers a host of features to tempt smartphone users. TomTom's Via 53 very much sits in the mid-range category of sat-navs. It offers connectivity options via a Bluetooth smartphone connection. Next one is Garmin Drive Smart 61. Premium GPS experience that will make you think twice about just using your smartphone. With the Garmin Drive Smart 61 has created a premium-looking sat-nav that's packed with features you'll want to use. Its screen is responsive, the information it offers clear and concise. Yes, it's expensive, but it's one of the best GPS systems available to get you from A to B. The next one is Garmin Drive Assist 51. A great phone-free sat-nav for those who don't want things too complicated. The fourth in our list is TomTom Go 5200. The TomTom Go 5200 is a league above most other sat-navs, but the price tag is in another world too. The last one is TomTom Go 520. The TomTom Go 520 is a super smart sat-nav that will have you navigating in style.